Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So today we are going to give you an update about the current market situation. What is the update on the recession and what is the news about the jobs, the IT jobs, the testing jobs, software testing jobs. So all these things we are going to update in this particular video. Now, last 2 hours we had a live session, right? And in that many people were asking us the same questions. What is the market update? When the market situation will get normal? So we thought to create explicitly a good video on with a full details in this particular section, right? So now let's see the details related to this particular situation. What is the current market situation? What is the update on this particular IT jobs? When the situation will get normal? But before that, if you're watching this video for the very first time, then please do hit like button, share and subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon so that you get immediately notified about any videos that we are uploading. Now, for this video, we will be taking three scenarios. One is about the freshers. Second is about the experienced. Third is about the people who are having career break or career gaps, right? Now, if you are a fresher, right, and then there are two kinds of scenarios again in that. One is you had got the job opportunity in the campus placement, via campus placement. Second is that you haven't got placement at all, right? And then you tried for off campus, but still you haven't got the job. And in again placed campus. So if you are placed within the campus, within the recruitment, then you have got the joining date or not, right? So that is also one of the scenario. Now, in some of the situations, what has happened is people who had got placed. So when I'm telling campus placements, those have happened in 2022 year only. Till now, the campus placement has not happened, or we haven't got any such news of mass hiring within the companies like, Accenture, Cognizant, this kind of companies, they do mass hiring. They go to the campus of the college campuses and they hire people, they hire students for some package as a fresher, right? But such kind of situation we haven't seen this in this particular year, 2023 so far, right? Now, people who had got the campus placement, who had got the job via campus placement in the last year, in the 2022, those people were asked to join, but that too on a less salary. So, for example, let's take an example of Wipro, right? So, what did Wipro do? So, when Wipro went to the colleges last year, they gave the package of, I think, 10 to 12 lakhs per annum for every fresher. But in this particular year, I think in March or in February, we got an update from them that the freshers who have got the campus placement should be able to join by 6 lakhs per annum or 7 lakhs. If they agree to this particular figure, if they agree to this particular amount, then only the joining date will be given to them. So this is what the situation. So this is what the heat is coming now on the people who have got the placement who, but still have to adjust with the, annual package or with the CTC that was being offered, right? Now, if you're not placed at all, so again, it's not at all a good situation because see, every time there are many freshers are there who have been trying for jobs since last year, since 1.5 year. They have been trying to get a job, they have been trying to get some interviews, but still they haven't got, right? Now, why they haven't got? Because the job market is like that. The jobs are very less in the market. The opportunities for freshers are very less, they are rare, and this would continue for some more time. Now, when I say like this, it would continue, so it doesn't mean that it will continue forever. There is a phase for every cycle, there is a trend for every cycle. For example, when the recession came in 2007, 2008, we all felt it was the end of the IT industry. But then the IT industry, the Indian IT companies, they boosted, they bounced back, right? And the situation till 2021, 2022, first quarter was also too good, right? When people were making lots and lots of money, lots and lots of packages, right? Similar to that situation, now let's take an example of COVID. When COVID came, we all felt this would be an end, but then that situation went away, and now we are one step ahead of that. So this is the learning lesson for freshers, right? If you're a fresher and you're watching this video, then we will also tell you that this time is for preparation. This time is for interview preparation. So we have got mock interview series with us. We have got an entire playlist of mock interviews. You people can go through those mock interviews and you can learn about how and what kind of questions are being asked. And if they are asked, then what kind of answers you need to give to get selected, right? Words do matter a lot during the interviews, right? So this is the situation of freshers. Very soon we will be having an update of the jobs also. And now let's look at the experienced people. Now there are various kinds of experienced people with 4 years of experience, with 6 years of experience, with 9 years of experience, right? Now, if someone is having 9 years of experience, and for example, they are earning 25 lakhs per annum, which is fine, right? So what, as we see the calculation of the salary that is going, so number of years of your experience into 1.5 or 2, that is your package. That should be your package, right? And they are doing proper productivity work, so no problem for them. If you have 5 to 7 years of experience, you are earning around 2022, then also it's fine. And I'm talking about metro cities. Now, if someone is having 4 years of experience, but this fellow is earning 18 lakhs per annum, then this person might be getting laid off because of the cost cutting issue that is going on in the companies. Now, in these days, the cost cutting that is going on in the company, it does not depend on whether you do a proper productive work, whether you are billable or not, or whether you are, having good skill set, whether you are having enough of experience. So what they do is, this person is having less experience, but they are earning too high. Why this situation has come? Because in COVID, these people might would have switched to a lot, and they would have negotiated a higher amount of package with the HR during their hiring. So definitely this kind of people would be under the radar of the management. Whenever they will be analyzing the situation, they will be analyzing, okay, how much profit, how much loss we have got, and then they will be looking at the experience, skill sets, who is billed, who is not billed, and then who is earning how much. So in those kind of situations, in those kind of scenarios, these are the people who might get affected, right? So if you are having good amount of experience, right, and if you want to switch from your current company, then the job opportunities are there, but compared to freshers for experience, that is more. So if you are having 5 or 6 plus years of experience, definitely the job opportunities would be there. You need to apply, you will definitely get interview calls, right? The case is not like the freshers where the job opportunities are itself not less. Yes, but for experienced, the problem will come in the package, right? During the COVID time, people got 50-60% of hike, right? But now they won't be getting that much of hike because the job market has got very soft these days. People are easily available for the jobs. For one particular job opportunity, you never know. You don't have any idea how much people would be willing to apply, how much people are getting interviewed, how much of them are getting selected, or what are the filter criteria, right? Now, let's look at the third scenario, people who are having career gaps or people who took career breaks. So, we can take example of many people who would have taken break due to their medical issues, who would have taken break due to the personal issues, right? So many reasons are there. So now, the job market for them actually is also on the not on the positive note, right? So these people are already having career break. These people are already having career gaps. So what they have to do, for example, if you're having career breaks since last 2 to 3 years, right? Then you should learn all those skill sets. You should learn all those technologies, tools that have been evolved in the market since you stopped working in some company, right? And I think this situation will be continuing till September, October 2023. So after September or October, we might be seeing a positive phase coming up in which most of the job opportunities would be there, right? In this particular week itself, we had covered 2 videos. One was about the IT company Infogame. One was about the Tata Technologies who are coming ahead to do mass hiring for women professionals, right? But still, the official date has not been declared. So that is why I feel still one more quarter we will have to adjust like this. Once the official date will come, that means the job market, the situation has improved, right? So that's how the things are actually taking care in the market situation, right? And this is what the market situation is there. So let's hope that this situation uh, becomes better as soon as possible, and most of us, most of you who have been trying to get the job, get your desired job in the appropriate in this particular year itself, right? So by that time, you can go through the mock interviews that we have taken, because we actually give the answers of the questions for the people who are not able to give the answers during that interview, right? So we give the correct answers so that it can help you during your real interviews. During your real-time interviews, you don't have to recall that particular answer, or you don't have to think what I should answer. Just answer what we have given in the mock interviews, right? So that's why it is very important to watch mock interviews. You will get two ideas. One is what kind of questions are being asked. Second is you will get idea about what kind of answers are to be given, because words are very important. What you speak in an interview are very important, right? And we have to be speaking to the point, and we need to be very crisp during the mock interviews, during the real-time interviews, right? So that's that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for more updates. And please hit on the like button, because it takes a lot of efforts to create such kind of videos with the real-time, updates, with the real-time marketing situations. Yeah. Thank you.